start there by MARKANT. It's looking surprisingly good for the Greek athlete who's yet to win one of his pool fights.
Well, like you said, you know, it's just never over until it's come out completely different here.
Given a yellow card warning. Counter-attack from Chan after the initial attack. MARKANT started, lost that point.
And that one was too low.
Chan bringing it back to 2 points apiece. Very quick in there for Chan. And this fight turning around slightly. 3-2 to the athlete from Hong Kong. Drawing MARKANT in. But now, as they out of reach, came in to within striking distance, and Chan took the opportunity. Suddenly 4-2 up for Chan.
Yeah, like you say, just drawing him in and then counter-attack. But so quick. Something wrong with the chair there.
Chan has it wrapped up. It was looking hopeful for MARKANT at the beginning. And he was 2 points to 0. Well, the referee noticed the wire not quite attached to that. Hit is annulled.
So he breathes again, still in there. Well, it says a point there to MARKANT. But it's all over because he gets the red card instead. Another point goes up there to Chan Win Kin. Chan Win Kin